If you are on a journey to lose belly fat, you already know that your diet plays a very massive role. Today, I'm going to talk about the 10 foods that you need to avoid if you want to see faster results and get a flatter stomach. And in the end, I will also talk about the alternative foods that you can use and avoid these foods, and in place you can incorporate those alternative options that I'm going to share with you. But in the end, let's talk first about these 10 foods to avoid to lose your belly fat faster. The number one food that you need to avoid is the refined carbs. Number one on our list is the refined carbs. Yes, white bread, pastries, and traditional pasta are stripped of their nutrients, leaving you with a lot of empty calories. These spike your blood sugar levels and encourage fat storage, especially around the belly area. Switch to whole grain options like brown rice or quinoa instead of white bread, pasta, and cookies. The number two is the sugary drinks. Sodas, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices, they are loaded with added sugar, which contribute directly to visceral fat. Instead, hydrate with water, herbal teas, or infused water with lemon and mint for a refreshing twist. The number three is the fried food. Who doesn't love fried food, right? But here's the bad news. Fried foods are high in trans fat, which not only increase the belly fat but also harm your heart health. Bake, grill, or air fry your favorites for a healthy alternative if you want to look for some other dishes which you can find more flavorful as well as tastier in comparison to the fried foods. Let's talk about the fourth number, which is the alcohol. Known as empty calories, alcoholic beverages can slow down fat burning and promote fat storage, especially in the abdominal region. Moderation is key if you want to see the real progress. Let's talk about the number five, which is the processed snacks. Next up are processed snacks. These are packed with preservatives, salt, and unhealthy fats that make losing belly fat a real challenge. Try snacking on nuts, seeds, or fruits instead to keep your energy level without the extra loss of your calories. Let's talk about the sixth, which is the sugary cereal. Many cereals marketed as healthy are actually loaded with a lot of sugar. Starting your day with these can lead to cravings and overeating later on. Instead, opt for oatmeal or homemade granola with no added sugar. Let's talk about the number seven, which is high calorie contaminants. That means ketchup, mayo, and salad dressings may seem harmless, but their sugar and fat content can add up very quickly. Use spices, olive oil, or lemon juice to season your meal instead. Let's talk about the number eight, which is the ice cream. Ice cream might be sweet indulgence for you all, and many people love it, but it's full of sugar and saturated fats. These can contribute to belly fat and slow down your progress. If you're craving something cold, try frozen yogurt or a smoothie bowl with natural sweetness from the foods, and avoid the artificial sweet that you get from these things available in the market. Another one is the ninth one, which is the processed meats. Processed meats like sausages and bacon are high in unhealthy fats and sodium, which not only contribute to weight gain but also lead to bloating. Opt for lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or plant based alternatives. Let's talk about the number 10, which is the artificial sweeteners. And finally, the artificial sweeteners are there. While they are marketed as a low calorie option, some studies suggest that they can disrupt the gut health and increase the cravings, making it harder to lose belly fat. Stick to natural sweetness like honey or stevia if you need a touch of sweetness into your food or anything that you want. But let's talk about if you are avoiding this food, then what to take. Incorporating the avoidance of these foods into daily life requires mindful planning and smart choices. Yes, start by identifying the common culprits in your pantry or your fridge, like sugary drinks, processed snacks, high calorie condiments, you can reduce them all. Replace them with healthier alternatives such as infused water, homemade snacks like roasted nuts or seeds, and natural seasonings like olive oil, lemon, or spices. Meal prepping can also help ensure you have wholesome options readily available to you, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy foods. When you are dining, so you can opt out for many options like go for grilled, baked, or steamed options instead of fried foods, and request the dressings or sauces on the side to control the portions. If alcohol is part of your social routine, consider limiting that intake or switching to low calorie alternative like a spritzer or a single glass of wine, and balancing it with a nutrient dense meal. Lastly, you need to focus on gradual and sustainable changes rather than drastic restrictions, and monitor your portion sizes, read labels to avoid hidden sugars and fats, practice mindful eating by savoring every bite. This approach not only supports your weight loss goals but also encourage a long-term healthy relationship with the food. Over time, these habits will seamlessly integrate into your life and help you to lose belly fat and maintain your overall well-being. So this was all about today's video. Hope you have learned about how to cure and how to avoid these foods and go for some alternative options. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel as well.